Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Excuse me. Today I am doing a week in my Planner Envy. I don't know why my voice sounds so weird. Excuse me. In my Planner Envy catch-all planner. We are, let's see, I made these. Look how cool. So they say fitness this week and then bills. So that way I can just turn to each one. And if you guys want to know how I did this, let me know and I'll make a video. So this week we are decorating, looks like the last week of February, which starts today. I'm running behind as usual. I kind of got distracted by making a sticker set, and you guys know I had struggled with that other one. I love this one. I haven't put it on the paper yet to see if everything fits, so this may be a disaster in that sense, but I'm hoping that everything is sized correctly and I can just add it to my shop in order to, you know, then load this video and you guys can go on there and get it if you'd like. I did want to say thank you everybody for voting for what we're going to do in my monthly layout planner, and this was the sticker set that everybody chose. I do love this one, the one that was the other choice, and I positively going to use this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in my vertical or if I just want to wait and then use it, you know, the whole sticker set in the monthly layout maybe for April or May. But this is going to be the one that I use. Let's see, it's from Book Babe by Live Love Posh. It's just got some really pretty colors in it. So that's the next thing I'm going to start on once I get this week done. And of course, instead of doing videos, I was on there designing stickers. I just get sometimes like I get ultra focused and I can't do anything else until I complete what it is that I wanted to complete. Okay, so I made this sticker set and I decided to add these decorative flowers. I don't know that I'll have room to put these, but maybe you guys do. And you know, I don't know. Let's see. Let's just get started and see. So I made these boxes. Look how cute. They've got these pretty flowers and it says take note. So let's see. Let's do one. I hope it fits. I mean, it should fit. Yep, it fit. Okay, so it's going to look like that. And then, let's see, we've got these little to-dos over here with, look how cute these little flowers. Okay, let's put that on here. Also got some other headers there in case you want to use something other than to-do. And then we've got the little strips. Let's see if it focuses with the little hearts. So that one goes like that. Okay, and then I've got the matching font for the Monday. And I'm wondering if I should cover that or not. I don't know. Let's see. Let's put Monday and then the 24th. Let's see, does it cover it? Nope, I'm gonna have to white it out. And I don't know if I want it like that anyway. I think I'm just gonna white it all out and then do that. Okay, I'm gonna save that for later. All right, so I'm going to do this same thing on all of these and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put the big boxes, the checklist, and the to-dos on there. And I love how it looks so far. Then I've got these other boxes here that go, all right, so this one, well, this one we know, of course, goes up here. So let's try putting that one on here. Let's see how it looks. I'm just going to try and line it up. All right. And then this one is the one for next week. So let's put that one on here. Okay. And then this one says important. And this is just things that I want to remember to do during the week. So let's see, we can line it up right here. Like that. And hopefully I do it straight. So what's good about a kit like this is you don't have to think. When you don't have any brain power to come up with something, you can just print one of these out and decorate and go. Oh my gosh, I am loving it so far. And you know, I'm thinking I could do like a pink version instead of a purple, or in addition to. I could take the pink from, or even like a darker purple. That would be pretty. Okay, so this one goes over here. Like that. Very cute. All right, and then I need this one for right here. Let's put that one right there. Okay. So we've got these. They say, today, remember, important birthday, appointment. You know what? It is my grandmother's birthday, even though she passed away. I wouldn't mind remembering that it's her birthday. I'm going to put it right here. All right, and then on Friday, I do need to pay bills. So we've got payday, pay bills, and errands. So I'm going to put on here pay bills because I know I'm going to have to do that on Friday. And I guess I could put it like here. I don't know. Pay bills. I could put it there. I don't know. How do I want to do this one? Or I could do, let's see. I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna say, take note that it's payday. We're gonna get paid that day. And then also that I have to pay bills. Or maybe I'll put pay bills over here. Let's put pay bills over here. Okay. And then, so you don't have to cover up the dates, but I do know that she came out with a, with some undated Planner Envy planners. So some people may need the dates. So this one does include the dates. And if you don't use them here, you can always use them on another planner too. I think I'm going to do like this. I'm going to put that right there. I like that better. Monday. So, and then what was the date? Today's the 24th. Yeah. So I'm going to do like this. Monday and maybe 24 or 24. I'm going to put the 24 right after it, but I'm going to put it straighter because we don't like crooked numbers. Okay. All right. I'm going to go put the dates on there and I'll be right back. Okay, there's the dates. Loving it so far. And then over here for the tracker, I'm going to put important because it is important that I track all things. So I'm going to put that one right there. Okay, then I decided to add these boxes, this extra sheet here, and it's basically just some decorative flowers and these boxes because I do like having a box here, even though I don't really need it in this spread. I think it would look pretty just fine without these boxes, but I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. I should have put this one after. Pay bills. I'm going to put this one here. So you can use the boxes or not. And all of these boxes will fit in a vertical layout also. So if you print them out and then don't end up using them in this planner, or if you just like these boxes and you want them, you know, everything in here can be used in other planners, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's put these on. All right, I'm going to finish putting these on. I'll be right back. All right, there's those. So these were some of the decorative elements that I put in here. Let me see if these fit. Like I said, I hadn't done this yet, so I'm kind of testing it out with you guys. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm going to cover this. Let's go ahead and do that. I always push down too hard. I remember you don't have to push down really hard. Actually, it works better if you don't push down hard on those. Okay, so this one's going to go here. Oh my gosh, I love this. That is really, really pretty. Okay, and then, let's see, I've got this one that's sort of like just flat. I thought maybe you could go here. Yeah, that works. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so I've got some other ones. I'm not sure where you would put them. I wonder if this would fit in the middle. I'm just gonna play with these and see. So you could put these like in the middle, like that. That would look kind of pretty, huh? Like facing each other. Or you can put them down here, which I think is what I'm gonna do. Let's go all the way down. That's pretty. Okay, let's go and do the other one over here. Oh, maybe move the birthday up. Oh, I hope I don't mess anything up. I'm tearing it, so that's staying. Oh, it's okay. It doesn't cover. Let's just go right here. Like that. All right. And then, let's see. We could use this one. Maybe. Let's try this one. Up here. Instead of next week. Is that too much? I think it might look like too much. I don't know. I don't think I like that there. So I'm not going to use that. Where does this go? Over here. Let's see. Will this one work up here? Like that. I could put that one right there. Go in the middle. Okay. I want it to say next week. So maybe let's just put this one up here. Get rid of the notes. And I'm not going to put it all the way. I'm just going to go like that and cut it. All right. I need to cut it at the top too, but I'm not going to worry about it for now. And actually this, I might be able to use it somewhere. Oh, that'll look cute right here. Kind of. Does that work? I don't know. Maybe we don't need to use it. And that's too small. Let's see. I'm going to put it right here. There we go. All right, and then I've got just these little ones that are really cute that I thought we could just throw around like that. And then, let's see, we've got this one. That one can go there. This one. Let's put this one here. All right, what do you guys think? I don't know. Should I change this to be like this? Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll add those somewhere else in the purple instead of like this. I mean, I kind of like it, but I don't know. You guys let me know. What would you like to see? All right, this one. Pay bills. Kind of want to add it to the pay bills. Like that. So maybe this can go here, or maybe we just don't need it. Yeah, I don't think we need this. All right, this one's extra. Of course, when you decorate yours, you're not going to do it, exactly like I'm doing it, unless you want to. So let's put this one here. Oh, I'm going to put this one by the birthday, like that. Okay, we got one more. The itty bitty ones. Do we want to put it like? Put it there. And actually, we've got a small one here. So, all right. And that's it. I've got a few of these. They say today, remember, let's see. We can try it and see if these look better. Would it look better if it was like that? I don't know. You guys tell me what would look better. All right. Well, quick and easy way to decorate your Planner Envy signature layout planner, or you can even use those in other planners if you want to. Let's put it back in and see how it looks. I love that it's just quick and easy. You don't have to think about it. I've already thought about it for hours when I was creating it. And if there's something you'd like to see, some kind of colors or anything like that, just let me know, and I will try my best to come up with something like that. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked the sticker set. I will add it to my shop, and I will post a link below so that you can purchase if you like it, and if not, that's okay too. I appreciate you watching the video. So see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump back on and show you that I really didn't like the extra flowers down here, so I just went ahead and took them off, and I like this better. It's cleaner, it's easier for me to understand what's where. I'll still include those in the set, but I just want to show you I did take it off my page, and I think this works better for me anyway. So, all right, that's it. Hope you guys like it. I'll see you next time. Bye.